Hello, welcome back to ayaan seasymath. Today we are going to see one logical question. If a square over a power 4 minus a square plus 1 equal to 4 by 37, then find the value of a cube over a power 6 minus a cube plus 1 equal to how much? So as you are going to solve this problem, pause the video for 10 seconds and try it out. Okay, and also if you are new to the channel, please subscribe the channel and give it a thumbs up. It will appreciate us to make more videos. More than 1000 olympiad and logical problems are uploaded in this channel. Please go through them. Thank you. So this type of problems we cannot see in any other channel. Thank you. So here first of all, given a square over a to the power of 4 minus a square plus 1 equal to 4 by 37. So here let us take a plus 1 by a is equal to x. This will use afterwards. Now here divide numerator and denominator by a square, numerator and denominator by a square. So here you'll get a square by a square over a power 4 minus a square plus 1 over a square is equal to 4 by 37. Now it will be 1 by a square minus 1 plus 1 by a square. So if you divide this, you'll get a square by a square is a power 4 by a square is a square. A square by a square is minus 1. 1 by a square will get. Now here, if you write the reciprocal, 37 by 4 is equal to a square minus 1 plus 1 by a square. So send 1 to that side. 37 by 4 plus 1 equal to a square plus 1 by a square. So this will be 41 by 4. 37 plus 4. 41 by 4 is equal to a square plus 1 by a square. So already I have taken away a plus 1 by a equal to x. So a square plus 1 by a square will be x square minus 2. X square minus 2 that you are going to substitute here. So x square minus 2 is equal to 41 by 4. That implies x square is equal to 41 by 4 plus 2. Here we'll get 49 by 4. So we are taking positive value of x. X is equal to square root of 49 by 4. We are getting 7 by 2. So the value of x is 7 by 2. Now a plus 1 by a whole cube I will find now. A plus 1 by a whole cube is equal to a cube plus 3 a plus 1 by a plus 1 by a cube. So here a plus 1 by a is x. x cube is equal to a cube plus 3x plus 1 by a cube. That implies a cube plus 1 by a cube is equal to x cube minus 3x. X cube minus 3x. So here what is the value of x? Already we know here 7 by 2 whole cube minus 3 into 7 by 2. So here the value what will get 7 cube means here what will get 343 by 8 minus 21 by 2. So here you will get the value 259 by 8. So why you are finding this value means what you have to prove, that you will take now. So what is required? A cube by a power 6 minus a cube plus 1. So here divide by a cube in numerator and denominator. So you'll get here 1 by a power 3 minus 1 plus 1 by a power 3. So this can be written as 1 by a power 3 plus 1 by a power 3 minus 1. So here already you know the value of a power 3 plus 1 by a power 3. So 1 by 259 by 8 minus 1. So here you'll get 1 by 251 by 8. 251 by 8. So here you are getting the answer 8 by 251 now. I hope you understood the video. Thank you for watching and seasymath olympiad. If you like the video, subscribe the channel and share the video to your friends. Once again, thank you for watching and seasymath olympiad.